Look at this beautiful bouquet. I made it with so much love. I hope it makes you smile.
Soft petals in the morning light, whispers of a dream taking flight. Gentle hands with care they weave, stories in blooms we all believe. Colors dance a tender art, luxury blooms straight from the heart. Bouquet bliss, a fragrant song where elegance and calm belong. Every stem and every leaf crafts a world beyond belief. Silk and velvet in the air, nature's charm beyond compare. Soft embrace of petals bright, in this garden pure delight. Bouquet bliss, a fragrant song where elegance and calm belong. Every stem and every leaf crafts a world beyond belief. In every bloom a story told of grace and beauty, rich and bold. A symphony in soft refrain, luxury flows like gentle rain. Bouquet bliss, forever true, a floral dream coming through. Calm and pure, a tender kiss, wrapped in endless bouquet bliss.
Gentle petals touch the air, softly dancing everywhere. In the quiet dawn's embrace, every flower finds its place. Colors blend like whispered dreams, flowing in the sunlight's beams. Bouquet bliss, a silent song where the heart and blooms belong. Calm and pure, a tender grace, luxury in nature's face. Soft reflections, petals gleam, floating on a tranquil stream. Elegance in every fold, stories in the blooms retold. In this peaceful floral sea, find the calm inside of me. Whispers of the blooms arise underneath the velvet sky.
Whispers of petals in morning light, softly they dance a delicate flight. In gardens where elegance grows, every bloom a secret shows. Colors blend in gentle streams, crafting the fabric of dreams. Bouquet bliss, a silent embrace, luxury woven in nature's grace. Calm and pure, a floral kiss, wrapped in the art of peaceful bliss. Through